Alright guys, tapos na po ako ngayong araw. And as you can see, nagmumukha ako mag-gym pero hindi po. Ito po yung aking mga daily gamit. Every single day, ganyan po sila kadami. At wala po akong iniiwan kasi iba talaga pagdala mo yung bahay mo. Ayan guys. So, yan po ang aking Bitbit. Imagine nyo nga. And other than that, meron po akong small kapaw para sa aking cellphone at pera. Ganyan po. So, yun lang po ang nangyari ngayong araw na to. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa ating Nissan Kicks review and more driving habit episode. So, sa mga nagbabalak bumili ng Nissan Kicks e-power na sasakyan, I hope you guys can watch this. And if you know someone who would like to buy Nissan Kicks, please share this video to them kasi baka makakuha din sila ng mga details on how to maximize their drive range or ma-maximize yung kanilang full tank. Ayun. Patuloy ko pong i-review sa inyo yung mga experience ko with Nissan Kicks. So if you are one of the viewers na interested sa ganitong mga bagay, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and press that bell button, guys, para lagi nyo kaming masamahan sa kwento-kwento ng aking buhay as single nanay ng aking 4 na kulot, half African, half Filipino children. I'll see you guys on the next episode. Much love from the Yigas. Ka-boom! Itlog na may buho. Nasaan ka na? Alright guys, time check natin, alas 4 na lang hapon and I'm currently outside the clinic kung saan ako nagpapa-maintain ng aking check-up for my update regarding my blood test result for TSH. So titingnan natin ngayon kung ano po yung result, kung ano yung sasabihin ni Doc. Kasi last time, naging Hashimoto thyroidism na siya. I'm not sure ngayon. Let's hope na there's a positive outcome from another week of taking my medicine. And yeah, tingnan natin kung anong update. You have 1 black ball each.
Wow.
Diana pa sa car lang ng orange. Kaya ito na sa Fiesta or sa Prime. Tara ko, Adri lang. Ako lang bahala. Sa ref, diretso ang prutas gang kay Mapanos. Ako lang.
In that far.
Si Chico magkaon og karang jackfruit. Ugma, gupito na siya. Dili, ugma lang. Gupito na siya gunting kay matukan sa. Wow! Did you say thank you to Lola? You arrange first.
Okay.
Up. Chico also. Whoa! Up. Yes! Chica, Calby, your turn.
Your turn na, Kalbi. Go there.
Do properly. Okay. 3. Wow! Okay, 5 points for you. Did you show Auntie your toy? Show.
Okay, I'll go play in that big size.
No, you show Auntie first that you have pin and ball. Those, you call them bowling pin. Yes, and then you have the bowling ball.
Like that?
Like that. Wait lang. One more. Okay, 3. Your turn first. Chico, that side. Wow, Chico, your turn. Yay! Ah! Your ball is there. Calby, say sorry when someone is hurt. Remember the story, Calby? About pineapple? Remember?
Have you finished Kalbi?
Morning. Nakita nyo guys, since na-diagnose po ako ng hyperthyroidism na naging Hashimoto thyroidism, ay hindi na ako naghintay guys na bawalan akong kumain ng mga ganito ganyan. Hindi na ako nag-research masyado. Hindi ako masyadong nakikinig sa mga sinasabi ng iba na bawal ganito, bawal ganyan, pwede ganito, pwede ganyan. After the diagnose, I just tried to change my diet abruptly. Pero hindi 100%. I changed about 60 to 80%. I make sure that I consume more fruits and vegetables in 24 hours. And I try to avoid 90% of the time junk foods. Kapag naglalaway ako guys, kunyari, kasi I love potato corner and I love bubble pearl. So I had to stop those. Kasi yung sugar noon na process is very, very high. And French fries of course are frozen. So kapag naglalaway ako, I could pick one piece and take my water. Pero I am hoping that I could completely stop them. Kasi, drink the milk. Come. Nag-request kasi yung mga bata ng cereal. Come. Let's see. One more. Ah. This one. Last one. Then next time, do not ask for cereal if you cannot finish, okay? Go drink water. Rubble is waiting. All.
Mine is almost
Ay, so.
done. Mom, look, mine is almost done. I can record it.
Go. I'm looking.
Looking, Mom.
Mm.
That is more. Yep. Yeah. Mom, I'm watching it.
Go.
Okay, I want the roll.
But you give. Can you give 6 to Chico so he can also play his own later, okay? Okay, your turn. Chico, move a bit. 1, 2, 3. Up. One more. You have three. You have 3. Try. You can try 3 times. Wow. No, no, no. For mommy, we. That's for girls. Last one, Calby.
Okay.
That's a shirt for mommy. We. Not yours. Oh, good job. Huh? So, again, as I was saying, I did not wait for the doctor to tell me what can I eat, what I cannot eat. To be honest with you guys, mas nakakapraning pag na-diagnose ka ng sakit. Mas nakakapraning pag nagbabasa ka too much about it. Nood ka ng TikTok dito, basa ka dito, basa ka doon, basa ka kung anong bawal, kung hindi. Mas nakakapraning, nakaka-stress, nakakadagdag ng anxiety. So, for me, I just decided to just change my diet as soon as possible. Kaya, I think for a week now, I really tried my best to stock on fruits. Katulad ng avocado, kasi avocado is a good fat. Apple. Yes. Apple, papaya, mainly fruits. Sa isda naman, sa gulay naman, kahit anong gulay, pero wala yung cabbage. Hindi naman din kami masyadong kumakain ng cabbage dito. And, ano pa ba? Hindi ako masyadong nagtitake ng mga prito-prito. So, kapag katanghalian, nagpapaluto ako ng sabaw na gulay, yung lauoy or pakbet, yung merong gata. Pero nagre-request ako na napaka-konting asin lang, tsaka walang betsin. Yun. Like I said, this is my own decision, guys, ha. I do believe na I will feel a lot better, a lot faster, or mas ma-manage ko yung medicine ko in the future. Kasi I believe sa mga ganitong klaseng case, tagi-ilang taon na sila, guys. 20 years, 21 years, 25 years na taking their medicine. And I couldn't picture myself like that. So, try natin. And of course, kailangan natin ng emotional healthy ka and mentally healthy ka. And of course, calm down and pray. Pray, pray, pray because it's not under your control. And yeah. Hello. Hello. Good morning. I'm a little strawberry from Baguio. Binigay ng kapatid ko kasi nagbiyahe sila sa Baguio. Ang pasalubong niya kay Mayumi, buong outfit na strawberry na crochet. O, diba? Ang cute. Mayumi? Mayumi? Good morning. Good morning, Mayumi. Brut. Arbrut. 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 Hi! Hi, Mayumi. Wala pa yung makeup si Mami Tawi. Wow, ang ganda man na. Ay!
Binimod ako ba yan na siya globot?
Tako ka lubot, Day?
Ay!
Liwat ka, Auntie Christine, Day? Tako ka lubot? You're so pretty with your hat. What is that? Who give that? Tita Jinjin?
The Jinjin from Baguio.
You like here? You wanna ride? Oh, you're so pretty. Babay na.
Dali na.
Tita.
Kung saan nabilin si Jericho si? At walang silang TV. Bye. Bye. Sleep na. Guys, good morning. Ayan po ang ating pretty driver for today.
Hi, guys.
Baka na-miss nyo na si Madam Ten Gibbs. Alam nyo, tuwang-tuwa si Madam Ten Gibbs kasi may nakakita daw sa kanya isang beses nagpa-picture. Sana all.
Sana all sikat.
Sana all. Basta sikat. Wala lang. So, andyan si Ate Ashley sa likod. Can we greet people?
Hello everyone.
Hi, and can you do an intro for my vlog? This is Princess Yiga's vlog.
This is Princess Yiga's vlog.
Where are you going today?
I'm going to work.
What? Work?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yes.
What's your job?
Basically, it's kind of a summer job.
And what do you do? Can you be more specific? Like, what do you do in your job? What's your responsibility?
I have a trainer, and my responsibility is putting up the prices. Sometimes giving them the change from the. How do you say this? When you get the change from the.
Cashier.
Yeah.
Then you put prices on your products.
Mhm.
What else? Do you also weigh the rice if someone wants to
Yes.
buy rice?
No. They just told me to just weigh the rice.
So if someone wants to buy, can you explain it to me?
If someone wants to buy, then
Like how many kilos?
from yesterday it was like 1 kilo each, and it was about 25 bags of rice, and I couldn't finish it all.
Wow. Did you finish?
Well, not really, because someone tried to help me, but I keep saying, "Are you sure?" And they keep saying yes, even though it's my responsibility. They just do so.
Okay. And how's the whole experience so far with your summer job?
I hate the rice bags the most.
You don't like that job. And what's your favorite part of the job?
Putting up prices, giving some change.
Oh, really? I love that.
How
And
about the repacking of spoon and fork?
Yes. Yes, I love that part. I know how to tie them now.
Wow. And how do you manage your expenses in one day? Do you spend like, you know, you are working, so how do you manage not to spend a lot on one day? What do you do?
Didn't buy anything.
You don't buy anything. Do you pack your own water?
Well, I just get water from the kitchen, I guess.
From the kitchen, not from the fridge. So they don't deduct from your salary, right? And how old are you again?
11.
11. Good job. Oh, diba? Sana all, guys. Very good. So, my sister and the owner of Nine and Yours Ukay-Ukay, shout out kay Madam Bibi, they figure out to give Ashley a summer job. Of course, she has a proper salary, guys. And every time she takes something from the shop at first, on her first day, kumuha siya, guys, ng tubig na bottled water from the fridge and a snack. Not thinking and not realizing that it will be deducted from her salary. So when she realized the next day, she started getting water from the kitchen. Sa kusina na lang siya, guys. Gripong tubig na lang, kay libre daw. Kasi ayaw niya daw ma-deduct sa kanyang sahod. So I'm really happy as a tita. I'm very, very proud. And I feel like it would have been very exciting if Kahil was also here, right? Ash? It would have been nice if Kahil also did the same.
I mean, you could do the rice job.
Okay, but maybe next time when Kahil comes for a longer vacation, he can also apply for a intern job under sa mga tindahan. Kasi doon naman natututo yung mga bata eh. Walang ibang magtuturo sa kanila about financial literacy but as parents. Okay? And just a mere week, 1 week lang na na-expose si Ashley sa trabaho sa one-stop shop at sa mga grocery store ni Madam Ten Gibbs. Ang dami niya nang natutunan. And she even has terminologies about economics. Diba? So, sabi niya, mahirap daw yung pag customer, sometimes they need change, and then weighing the rice, diba? So ang galing, very good tayo dyan. So ngayon papunta na tayo sa, si Ate Ashley ay grade 6 pala, guys, ha. So ngayon, upcoming grade 6. She's just upcoming grade 6, and I know, Ate Ashley, you are very lucky because a lot of children your age couldn't even have this kind of how do you say, experience. They couldn't even have this kind of experience. So, yeah. But some people, they learn even more than what Ate Ashley is learning. So, once again, as long as they learn something new, they do something new, then that is good. So, ngayon, papunta na kami ng syudad dahil kami po ay magtatrabaho na ni Madam Ten Gibbs. At si Madam Ten Gibbs, guys, wala yan, guys. Pag yan walang driver, kahit siya yung nag-drive, guys, okay na okay. So ngayon siya yung humawak ng kanyang
Wala tayong expenses today kasi wala tayong babayarang driver.
driver. So ngayon ano siya,
So ang babayad sa driver, ikakain na out of nowhere.
nasaan si Uncle Bobit ba?
Nag-rest day.
Nag-rest day pala yung driver, kaya pala siya yung nag-drive. Ayan. So, si Madam Ten Gibbs na nag-drive sa atin. So, let's go na, guys. Let's get this over with. Then, I'll see you on today's
Alright,
episode.
guys. Time check natin. Alas 12 na po ng tanghali. Pupunta na tayo dito sa kusina ni Madam Ten Gibbs para magpapalamon. Alam niya kapag nandito ako, guys, on time daw kaming kumain dapat kasi ayaw niya na mabuang kami. So, ngayon, ikot tayo kasi sarado din sa likod. Dito na tayo sa harap dadaan. And marami ako nakikitang comment lately regarding Mayumi that she is growing very pretty. O, diba? Grabe naman kayo, guys. Para naman kayong na-shock na maganda yung anak ko. Pero anyway, maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga kind words ninyo. Para sa aking mga anak, lalong-lalo na sa bunso natin at nag-iisang babae na si Mayumi Pareño Giga. Ayan. Sa mga new viewers natin, I named her Mayumi kasi I feel like Mayumi is so calm. Napakakalma ng pangalan na Mayumi. At the same time, marami siyang magagandang meaning not only in Philippines but also Japanese version. So, I wanted a Tagalog feel na name finally for my child. Kaya napili ko yung Mayumi. So, once again, Maraming salamat sa lahat po ng mga nag-appreciate kay Mayumi na she's growing really pretty each day. She's growing very cute. Ang ganda ng kanyang mga kulot. Very soft and bouncy. So, very excited tayo na lumaki. At makita si Mayumi na gumala-gala at tumakbo-takbo. Excited na tayo sa lahat. So, kung meron po kayong mga pre-love na damit dyan, pwede nyo na pong ibenta sa akin yan. Or, kung gusto nyong ibigay, uma-accept din po tayo. Maraming salamat in advance. I'm not saying nga, baka may mag-bash na naman sa atin dyan. Mamaya na, grabe ka naman, madam, bilang mo naman ang brand new. Ay, hindi guys, huwag tayo magpa-ipokrita. Kahit na luma at pre-love, okay lang po yan. Maraming salamat. Na-distract ako sa benta ng kapatid ko. Ano ba itong mga benta niya dito? Bakit ganito to? Bakit ganitong t-shirt na to? Bakit ganito to? This is rated PG. Sorry guys ha. May rated PG itong tindahan ng kapatid ko ngayong araw. Totoong buhay. Mahilig daw kumain si Mang Pepe. Kayo talaga. Pepperoni. Mahilig kumain ng
Welcome to our GJA One-Stop Shop Mini Mart!
Ano confetti?
Ayan guys, bumili kayo ng apple. Kahit apple, pinatos ko na.
Di ba? Kahit mansanas, pinatos niya na guys.
Yes.
Hindi lang to para grocery. Sooner or later, magiging prutasan na to. Bakit maliliit yung apple na binigay niyo sa akin kahapon? Tapos ngayon, nilalabas niyo yung magagandang
Legit yung
apple.
binigay namin sa'yo.
Ang ganda ng apple niyo ngayon, ang lalaki.
Yes, ang lalaki, ang pupula.
Yes.
Like Pepe, Ronnie. Yeah.
Ay, shoutout nga pala dito, may bagong worker si Madam Ten Gibbs. Ayan po. Nagtataka kayo bakit kamukha niya po yung may-ari. Dahil ito po ay ang kanyang eldest daughter, Ate Ashley.
We have the same face?
Ha?
We have the same face?
Leoy,
Ah.
you said I'm always relating to Daddy.
Okay, let me see this side view.
Wow, Ate Ashley is putting price on the newly arrived na mga stock. Wow. And standing ovation only. Bawal daw mag-upo, Ate Ashley.
No sitting down.
No sitting down on the grocery while working. Agoy. Wow, very nice. How much is your salary again? 50 pesos a day. Okay. So if you get water, 10 pesos, 40 na lang eh.
She said she worked for 3 days.
Oh.
And she had already 150 pesos.
Yes.
And now she asked how much is the Happy Father's Day
Ah.
cup. And it's 150 and she said she will buy.
Oh.
Because her sahod is enough na daw.
You
That
use-
one, okay.
You will buy that one for who?
For my dad.
That's so sweet. Oh,
You have a dad?
Oh,
I thought you are put outside of the door.
makahilak ang
You're
putag
abandoned.
lata. Makaiyak man to si Ate Ashley. Yung sweldo niya ng 3 araw, guys, binili niya pa ng ka para sa Father's Day. Tayo kasi mga tayo inatay. Laban lang sa mga ina at tatay dyan. 2-in-1. We love you. I love you. Hug sa inyo. Ayan. Meron kasi silang bentang Father's Day. Change topic tayo bago mag-iyakan dito sa lindahan. Idaan sa tawa. Ay, shout out kay may-ari. Ano nangyari sa sa kumpanya mo? Mine and yours, ukay-ukay, Jensen. Oh, marami naghahanap ng ukay-ukay mo, girl. Bilisan mo na. Wala pa daw silang
Sideline
stock.
muna ako dito guys kasi malaking sweldo dito.
Malaki ba? Malaking sweldo plus international travel Kapal mukha mo
Malaking sagpa.
Sana all.
Sana all. O, dali na. Mag-lunch na tayo, guys. Tara. Let's go.
My mom's the boss.
Yeah, but you're a worker.
But I'm her daughter.
But you work.
But my mom works for the family.
But now you're a worker.
But
Yes.
I'm still your daughter.
But a daughter is a worker. No
No
valid
special.
reason.
Yes.
No special child.
But I have your blood.
But I have your nose.
Ay, nakamot ni mo, Ashley. Okay, let's go, guys. Mag-lunch na tayo. Dito tayo sa likod. Yan natin anong paulam ni Madam Ten Gibbs ngayong araw. Oh, bulot. We need gulay. Oh. Ay, ara. Ay, ikaw nagluto. Wow, shout out kay Iron Skirts. Maraming salamat for being the chef ngayong umaga. Ayan, bahaw is the key. And bahaw is the key. And bangus. Maliit na bangus. Maliit na bangus is banglet.
Bangusitos.
Banguslet. At saka gulay. Saka mag-boil ng gulay. Okay. Tanong ng karamihan. Papayag ka ba na dadalhin si Mayumi sa Africa?
Ako?
Oh.
Hindi, guys. Bakit? Hindi na yun makabalik. Alam niyo yung papa nung narcissist yun. Baka anong gawin niya doon? Ba, hindi mabalik si Mayumi? Ako. Hindi namin mahabol, guys. Mahirap doon sa Africa, walang batas doon.
Oh, di ba guys? So, yan ang sagot ng isa sa kapatid ko. Pero most sa kanila talaga ay hindi pumapayag. And of course, for me, nakikinig tayo sa kanila kasi sila yung number one support ko sa mga anak ko.
Pero mas okay kung ikaw ang hindi makabalik. Kaysa si Mayumi.
Okay lang daw, hindi ako makabalik kaya sa kay Mayumi. Iba kasi ang batas sa Africa, guys eh. Hindi lang naman sa Africa, ang kada bansa may iba't ibang batas.
Kahit i-research nila.
So kahit na kasi nakatira ako doon ng 3 taon, I heard and I knew some stories na medyo magkakaroon talaga ng baka umabot ng legal action ba. Eh dito sa Pilipinas, talagang nanay talaga yung priority kapag mga bata. So for me, it's better na andito si Mayumi. So yan ang sagot ni Madam Ten Gibbs, bawal ilabas papuntang Uganda muna si Mayumi. Siguro pag ano na siya guys, 35 years old. She can decide. Kasi may nag-comment pala, sabi niya, Ma'am, remember Rufa May Gutierrez? Rufa Gutierrez, not Rufa May Quinto.
Rufa May Gutierrez.
Remember Rufa Gutierrez?
Yeah.
The husband is a prince. Was it a prince in Turkey?
Yeah.
She never brought the daughter, 3 of them, to the country unless they were
Oh,
already lady. They're already big. So, doon pa sila na-meet ng tatay nila.
bakit kaya?
Kasi iba din ang batas ng Turkey.
There's a chances na hindi makabalik ang mga bata.
Maybe.
Whatever.
At least this time, pag medyo may edad na, you can decide.
So you will bring Mayumi sa Africa at 18?
At 20.
It's alright to know her
Depende.
country.
If she's not busy training for Miss Universe.
Sana all Miss Universe. Yes, I'm rooting for Mayumi.
Inshallah. Ayan, Dok. Ayan, guys. Oh, dinarhan kami ng aming ate, may-ari ng Sheena Bangkok Wardrobe. Hello. Apakasarap na avocado.
Ano mo nalaman?
If you want healthy fat, makikita yung kasagutan sa avocado po. So dito, nagdala yung ate ko ng 10 guys. Tapos, binigyan niya yung ibang mga kasama namin dito. Sana hindi niya na lang binigyan. Kasi parang kulang man sa amin guys, magkapatid. Matakaw. Okay, joke lang yun guys, baka mamaya. So anyway, may dinala siya dito kasi hatian namin ni Madam Ten Gibbs. So merong 10 dito, 4 sa kanya, 6 akin. Okay. Very good. 2, 3, ipilit pag yun ang dag ko. 4. Ayan guys. Alam niyo itong avocado na to, pag nakita niyo to, ito yung export quality namin dito sa South Cotabato. Ito ay under sa Dole Company, tapos ine-export nila. Sobrang mahal nito guys, ang isang piraso nito, ang mahal po nito sa Thailand. Malapit 300 pesos ang isa. Isa lang. Tapos maliit pa dito. Hindi ganito kalaki.
Tapos ugaton pag yun.
Okay, Malik din yung ate ko galing bukid. May dala siyang homemade kasaba. Kasi tumubo na daw yung mga balanghoy niya dun sa garden niya dun sa kubo. So, ang ginawa nila, hinarvest at tingnan nyo naman ang pagkagawa. Sobrang busok. Kasaba guys, homemade.
Sobrang busok.
So, ito isa sa mga kakanin na mga popular dito sa amin sa South Cotabato. Ang tawag namin dito is suman balanghoy. Sobrang tama, perfect ang pagkaluto.
Kaya sa mga pagkaon na ito, mga sobra-sobra. Hindi na mahurot sa kadaghan.
Kaso, yung ano lang nito guys is, maganda siya kasi hindi masyadong matamis. Meron ka na dito, we? Bibigyan ka na niya?
Ano, gagabi?
This is for me na.
No, for me, the others.
Dua ang bugas gang, apili ako Kaya to ba ako ni ate ano ni mo, ate Wiwi. Apili po daw si ate Pre, isa kakuha ko.
Be, mapasa daw buha ka bugas sa sakinan natin. We. Kaya ate we ang isa ka, ate friends.
Ias daw, bago ang itlog. Bagong ano,
Oo, duha.
fresh.
Nada sa ko ay rapper utang ni ay sa ko. Dira kay rapper dai utang. Sa te.
Ang itlog ninyo bagong abot, bagong deliver, dili bugok. Ano pa, rough pa? Ina daw kung rough pa ang shell. Ay kung dili.
Bago pa to, gagawin na lang gatod. Gawin na lang.
Hanggang na pa?
Hmm.
Dua ka tray pod ako
Duha.
Napa ni dear no, wala pa ni nahalin gang no. Naapat. Ayun siguro.
Doon, mga fashion na lang. So,
Masarap siya guys, hindi po siya matamis. Sobrang perfect nito kainin dun sa kubo ng ate ko guys habang umuulan. Tapos nagkakape ka or nagsisikwati.